Now students, let us see that what type of taxes, okay, the third state they have to give. Okay, one tax was teeth. Teeth was a tax levied by the church on the peasants, in which they had to pay 1/10 of their produce. You just see the power of the first state. Okay, farmers, they have to give tax to whom? To the church. Okay, and what was that? 1/10 of their production. All right, that means you can able to imagine that clergies, they were really very powerful during that time. Okay, another tax was taille, and taille was a direct tax that all the members of the third estate had to pay to the state. That means two type of taxes were there. One tax, third state people, they have to pay to the church, that is called teeth, and another tax, that was taille, to whom they were giving? They were giving to the state. All right, and after that indirect taxes were also there, just like that levied on the goods of daily consumption like salt or tobacco. Okay, whatever we are purchasing, okay, along with that taxes were there. That tax was incurred by the state only, and in this way what happened? The burden of the financial activity of the whole state was on the shoulders of the members of the third state. Okay, and this is one of the important economic cause for the French Revolution. Remember this, because day by day the resentment increased in the third state, and one day will come that will be outburst. All right, and we will see that how this will outburst. Now the students, our next topic is the struggle to survive. All right, the people, the French people, they suffered a lot. Okay, and there was a question for their survival. Why? Because of the policy of the French monarch. Okay, look at here. First problem was population growth. The population of France rose about 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1789. You just see here, in 1715 23 million population was there of France, and in 1789 it rose to 28 million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh, that means total in population increased, that is 50 lakhs. अब जिस तरह से पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी उस तरह से प्रोडक्शन नहीं बढ़ा. All right, and due to that there was a rapid increase in the demand of food grains, resulted the high price of bread, which was a staple diet of the majority. That means it was the bread was the compulsory diet. Okay, मुख्य आहार था फ्रेंच लोगों का, और price rise created lot of problem to the French citizens. Okay, especially those who are in the third state. Now you just see, not only the inflation was a problem. Okay, those who are the workers, their salary not increased. Okay, their salary not increase according to the inflation. मान लीजिए students that suppose anybody's salary is rupees 100, but okay, family के लिए उसे खर्चा करना पड़ता था 90 रुपीज़. ओके, नेक्स्ट ईयर जो उसका खर्चा था वो बढ़ के 110 हुआ, और सैलरी दैट वाज द सेम, दैट नॉट इंक्रीज्ड, 100 रुपीज़ ओनली. तो फॉर दैट रीज़न दोज हु आर workers, they also suffered a lot because the salary not increased as per the inflation in the market. Okay, just see that population that is increasing and production gone down. As a result, what happened? Inflation, that is price rise. And later one what happened is iske saath this is going on, and along with that, if any natural calamity hit France, then the situation was really worse, and we used to call it as a subsistence crisis. Okay, things became worse when France was hit by drought or hail. Drought means अगर सूखा पड़ा या this बर्फ पड़ी, तो what will happen? The situation become worse, and this is the subsistence crisis. What is the subsistence crisis? An extreme condition when the basic means of livelihood are endangered. Okay, when the people's livelihood are in danger. Okay, this is subsistence crisis, and due to this many people also die. Okay, this is also one of the reason of French Revolution. Students, thank you to hear me, and I want to say one thing, that whatever notes and whatever worksheets I am giving it to you, you please forward it in my WhatsApp, in this WhatsApp group. Okay, not my group, but WhatsApp group. My group means not in my personal number. Okay, you just forward it in the WhatsApp group of the class. And in the next topic we'll see that what are the other reasons, okay, for the French Revolution. And if you have any doubt, students, you can able to call me 6 to 7 p.m. Thank you very much, students.